Hi everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can follow hashtag on LinkedIn, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay I'll simply go ahead and step into our video. So yeah, for that what you're gonna do, first of all go ahead and access your LinkedIn app. Once you have done so, what you're gonna do, so if you would like to follow a hashtag on LinkedIn, so that's why we're scrolling down, right, and we find any of the posts and we find the hashtags given below. So if you would like to follow them, we're gonna tap on that hashtag, and after that it will just pop up that popular hashtag LinkedIn page, and I can choose to tap on this follow button, and I'm just like following that particular hashtag now on LinkedIn. So if they post anything, I'll get that post and I will get access to it, get notified as well, right? I can choose to unfollow as well. Same goes with the other hashtags as well. Let's go, I'll scroll down, see more, and I'll tap on, let's say this is the one, and now I got another page for the hashtag as well. This is the way you guys can do it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.